So for all the kids, not for all the kids, only for the kids who have joined today, that is Vehan. Vehan, do you want to say hello to everybody? Unmuting yourself.
Hello.
Yeah. So am I pronouncing your name right, Vehan? Is it Vehan?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have Vaishu also, right? Vaishu, do you want to say hello to everybody?
Oh, sorry. Hello.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, Akshara, you want to say something?
Yeah, like which lesson we're gonna learn about?
That is a surprise. Wait for a few minutes. I will anyways get you guys going. All right. And your camera has flipped upside down. Yaditi.
So, sir, I'm sorry I wasn't here today because I was in a birthday party.
Yep, I was aware. I was told. Mommy told me. Yes. Sianvi, you want to say something?
Yesterday you said that we're gonna learn more about geometry. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, so we will learn geometry and we will also learn how to play with maths. Okay? We will try playing with maths a little bit more today. Okay? So I will tell you guys why it is important for us to play with math. So let's do a quick roll call first so that I would know who all are here and who are not. So I see Aditi is here, Join is here, Mandeep is here, Nihan is here. Then we have Akshara.
Not here.
Yeah, Shalini is also here already. I see her. So we have Sanvi, we have Sami, we have Vaishu is with Santosh Kumar. Okay, so Vaishu is here. Shalini is here. Shanvi. Okay, Shanvi is here. And then we have Vehan, Gautam, then Yaganya and Yog. Alright, so we are going to get started. First of all,
Radha is missing.
okay, that's okay. Now whoever is missing, they will join. But let's make good use of next 50 minutes. Okay? I would request everybody to make sure that don't do anything else. Don't play on your laptop. You will only keep looking at what your teacher is doing and what is happening on the board. Once in the class, no talking. So, next 50 minutes, make sure that your full attention is on the board or me. And nobody has to be busy taking notes, because if you are busy taking notes, you'll not be paying attention to the concept that we are going to learn. Okay? Now, yesterday what did we learn? We were learning how to find out the area of a triangle. Everybody knows what is a triangle. A shape which has three sides. If I say area of the triangle, Nate, take your notebook out, and I don't want any parallel discussion to happen in the class. Okay? Yes, Alni?
If you say a parallel area of a triangle is like half into base into height.
So that is what is teacher's job. Let the teacher continue, and if there is any confusion, I will let you guys know. But since we have more kids in the class, I would recommend you guys not to start a discussion which is not needed. Okay? So Mandeep, just hold it for a little bit. Let me continue, and when I need you guys to talk, I will let you talk. Okay? Now, this is what we learned. If I have a triangle, that's it here. If I have a triangle, the area of a triangle is always half into base into height. Now, everybody knows what do we mean by the area? Area means the space that it takes on the surface. Meaning, if this is a bigger triangle, it needs bigger area. We'll find out with this formula. If this is a baby triangle, it will need smaller area. We'll apply the formula and find it out. That is what my approach would be. Now, you will say, I don't know which side is called base, which side is called height. No big deal. It's always left to how you look at it. If you call this as a base, right? This is this. It looks like the table. This triangle is sitting on this base. So we'll call this as a base. And what will be the height? The distance with the opposite vertex. This height. This will be my height. Imagine you are in a very playful mood. You flip this triangle. You said, okay, no. Don't want to keep my triangle like this. I want to keep my triangle like this. You flip the triangle. Then this became your base. And this becomes your height. But what is there to remember is, no matter whether you are keeping your triangle like this or you are flipping your triangle like this or you are tilting it like this, in any case, the area will not change. I know I did not do a perfect drawing here. They all don't look the same, but I would let you imagine or visualize that it's the same triangle which I am rotating. Okay? So whether you keep it straight, make it lie down, make it go downward, make it go further down, the area, the space taken by this will not change. And how that will be ensured is, if you are looking at it this way, this will be your base, this will be your height. If you are looking at this way, this will be your base, this will be your height. If you are looking at this way, this will be your base, this will be your height. If you are looking at this way, this will be your base, this will be your height. Okay? And multiplication of the base and height will give you the same area. So if you change the base, your height will change, but the overall area will remain the same. Is that part clear? Yeah, Mandeep, you were saying something.
Yes.
Okay. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure that everybody keeps their video on, okay? I don't want anybody to get distracted and focus on anything else. Now let's see if you have understood or I was able to make you guys understand. If I give you a triangle like this and say this side is 15 centimeter, okay? 15 centimeter. Height of this triangle is, from here to here is 3 centimeter. What is the area? Can you guys apply the learning so far to tell me what will be the area of this triangle? Vehan? I would want you also to try. I would want everybody to try, okay? Because if you try, then you will know whether you are getting it or you are not getting it. Nihit, you also. And we have only 2 minutes for solving it. 15 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Sarvi, you are also trying with her? Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, Nihan, did you get the answer? Nihan, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
I got my answer as 22.5.
22.5 what?
22.5 square centimeters.
Okay, how about you, Vaishu?
22.5 is it centimeter square?
Yes. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. How about you, Joanne?
I got 22.5 centimeters square.
Okay. How about you, Mandeep?
I got 25.2 centimeters.
Okay, how about you, Tasvik?
22.5 centimeters.
22.5? What?
Centimeters square.
Centimeter square. You have to say it loud, okay? If you say, I got my area is 22.5 centimeters square versus 22.5 kilometers square, there is a huge difference. Imagine if you say 22.5 centimeters square, it will be something like this. If you say 22.5 kilometers square, I cannot draw it on the board. It will be too big. Yeah? Okay. Shalini, what is your answer?
22.5 square centimeters.
Okay. How about you, Yaganya? Same? Yaganya, what was your answer? You had raised your hand. Okay, so, okay, yeah, Gautam?
I also got
Same.
22.5 square centimeters.
Okay, so I will not let everybody answer it now because I assume everybody has done it. Yep. Go ahead. Okay. Alright. So coming back to this one, okay. So everybody got the answer. I saw that some of you got a little different answer. That is where the teacher has a job at hand. Meaning, I will just do it the same way like everybody did. Everybody hands down, please. Now this is your base. As I said, this is a height. Area of a triangle, what we have learned is half into base into height. What is my base? 15 centimeter. Just look at what I am doing very carefully, okay? Half into base. My base is 15 centimeter, okay? I am not being lazy, I am writing everything here. Into height. What is the height? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. I am writing everything here, okay? Now, what did I get? Half into 15 centimeter into 3 into centimeter. So I will multiply the numbers together and something which is not a number, I will multiply them together. So it becomes half into 15 into 3 into centimeter into centimeter. 2 into 2, 2 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square or square centimeter. So this centimeter and this centimeter, there is an into sign in between. It becomes centimeter square. So now 15 times 3 is 45 divided by 2. That gives me 22.5. 22.5 centimeter square. This is what the answer is. If any of you got different answer, that means you probably missed a step. But the summary is, this was one of the easiest problem to solve. Okay? Because you know how you find the area. You have a formula given to you. You have to just put the value of the base and height and do simple multiplication. Okay? And division. Yeah? So everybody who has raised hand, I would request you guys to put your hands down unless you have a question. Nihit, what's happening? Okay, a very interesting question. Tell me, what do you come here to the class for?
Maths.
For learning math, right? And how do you learn math? By practicing math. When I'm teaching something, you have to practice also. Being lazy is not an option. You will see, I explain something, and if somebody asks me a question, I do it one more time. I'm not being lazy. Even if I'm supposed to be, because I'm getting old, much older than you guys. Yeah? So doing math, while you're doing math, you cannot be lazy, okay? Keep doing it. Did you understand this part?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody understood, or there is any confusion right now? First of all, I want everybody to put their hands down. Everybody has raised hand. I don't know if somebody has question or it is just there by mistake. Yes, Janvi. Go ahead, Janvi, quick. Okay. If I call the name twice, if I don't get an answer, you miss your chance for next 10 minutes. Yeah, Mandeep, you have a question?
Yes.
Tell me.
Arnav, what does the point symbol mean?
What is that?
When you do 22.5, what does the point mean?
What does the point mean? So this is where Who all is vegetarian here in this class? Who all doesn't eat chicken? Bad question. Yug doesn't eat chicken. But anyways, nobody has to eat chicken, okay? I'm not asking you guys to eat chicken. But there's a concept called chicken and egg. Okay, that is what I use for converting decimals. So in today's class, we are going to play with little bit of operations, okay? If, see what we were trying to do, half into 15 into 3 centimeter square, right? And this is what I said, 22.5. Yeah? Right, Mandeep? Now, look at this. This is what we are trying to do. So this becomes 1 into 15 into 3 by 2. Now, and centimeter square. Let's not touch this guy. This is 5. Now, 1 into 15 into 3. This becomes 45. Divided by 2. Centimeter square. This is not a perfect number. This is a fraction. Yeah? This is your numerator, this is your denominator. What does it mean? Divide 45 by 2. Okay? Divide 45 by 2. Now, when I say divide 45 by 2, Nihit and Dasmik, can you guys pay attention to what I am doing? No, I will not let you guys do that. Dasmik, you take a chair and sit here. No, this class is meant for only focusing on what I am teaching. I cannot entertain any friendship going on in the class. Alright, so here we are saying 45 divided by 2. Okay, divide 45 by 2. Everybody in the class know division?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let's try dividing 45 by 2. What we'll do? 2 2s are 4. Done. What comes down? 5. Now 2 2s are 4. What is remaining? 1. Now this 1 is smaller than 2. What do I do? Decimal is a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. That's how I remember this, okay? Mandeep, remember this. Decimal is a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. Don't tell this to your teacher though, okay? I mean, this is how I remember. So now 1 is smaller than 2. If I make this bigger, then only I can divide that by 2. Otherwise I cannot. So decimal is a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. Now I got 10. 2 5s are 10. Done. Okay? So 22.5, when you are looking at this point is nothing but it says it is less than 1. Okay? Like if you have $1, you will say I have $1. If you have 50 cents, which is half of a dollar, you say I have 0.5 of a dollar. Okay?
1.5.
Huh?
1.5.
0.5, which is half. So half of a dollar, right? So 1 by 2, meaning you are trying to divide 1 by 2. Now 1 is smaller than 2. How will you divide? A chicken comes to your rescue. When you put a chicken here, you get an egg here. 2 5s are 10. So this 1 by 2, $1 divided by 2 gave you $0.5. Okay?
Okay.
Yep. Sian, do you have a question?
The other time my speaker wasn't working.
That's okay.
I still don't get how you get the 0.5.
0.5, 22.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so see, this is what we had to do. I'm doing one more time. Everybody, Mandeep, put your hands down. And Sanvi, this chicken and egg story is new for you. So just pay attention to what I'm doing, okay? So we have to find out half into 15 into 3. This is what we have to do. And then we have a centimeter square. We are just trying to find out this value. So now, when you have something like this, so this becomes 1 into 15 into 3. Everything on the first floor, everything on the basement, in the basement. You have only one thing in the basement, so that comes here. And everything else is on the first floor, so this is how it is. Now you multiply them. So 1 into 15 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45. So 45 divided by 2. You have to divide 45 by 2. How do you do it? Simple division, 45 by 2. Hold it. Whoever has raised hand, just hold it till I complete. Meaning, you have to divide 45 by 2. 2 2 ja 4. First one is done. Then comes 5, comes down. 2 2 ja 4. 1 remaining. Now 1 is smaller than 2. How do you divide 1 by 2? You have to make 1 bigger. How do you do that? Chicken comes to your help. Gives you 1 egg. 2 5 ja 10. Done. Got it?
Got it.
So I would not prescribe anybody to eat chicken if you don't eat. But I'm saying this is just a funny way to remember this concept. That's all. Okay? Alright? Anybody have any question before I move on?
No.
No. Now I see. Either you play with math or I will start playing with you guys. So I'm going to now play with you guys. If I say 2 times x equals 14. Okay? Let's say x is nothing but the price of 1 cup of coffee. Okay? 2 times the price of a coffee equals $14. What is the price of 1 cup of a coffee? How do you find it out?
What?
So, okay, yeah,
14 divided by 2.
okay. So that is the answer. So hear me out for the question part of it because there's something hidden here. Yes, Ami.
I was going to answer the question.
I don't need the answer right now. Okay, so I'll let you guys answer, but right now the focus is on understanding the concept part of it. Okay, now I'm saying if x is the price of 1 cup of coffee, okay, I don't know how much is x, okay. So if the shopkeeper says or the Starbucks guy says 2 cups of coffee will come for $14. I'm curious to know how much is the value for 1 cup of coffee. And some of you already know the answer, but that is not important right now. What I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to form a word problem out of what I heard. So it says 2 times price of 1 cup equals $14. How much is the price for 1 cup of a coffee? So let's whatever we don't know, we give it a name. Okay? Right? Let's say if you guys don't know my name, what do you call me? Teacher. Now, teacher, there are hundreds or thousands of teachers maybe. Today you are learning from me, so you will say Biren as your teacher. Tomorrow you will learn from somebody else, the teacher's name will change to somebody else. Maybe it will become Dharmendra, it will become Jitendra, it might become Amitabh Bachchan, it might become something else, right? It might become Mohan Babu also, right? So, teacher's name is not fixed yet, okay? You guys are very small right now. In your journey, you might come across multiple teachers. And the teacher's name will keep on changing. What will not change is the designation, that is teacher. Similarly, all these things, X, Y and all those things are called variables. Like a teacher. Today you can put Biren here. Tomorrow you say, okay, I don't like this old guy. I want to learn from somebody else. Delete Biren and add Mahesh. So value of X becomes Mahesh. Okay. So these are called variables. Something that can vary. The name of the teacher can vary. Okay. That's why it's called variable. Okay. Now comes the thing that I was trying to teach you guys. Yeah, Mandeep, you have raised your hand. You want to change your teacher right away?
When you do the coffee part, you did not put the $sign by the 14.
Don't worry about that. I did not do that just because I was lazy. and that doesn't discount on the concept that we're trying to learn here. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is, the Starbucks guy told me that 2 cups of coffee will come for $14. Now, what I don't know is, what is the value of 1 cup of coffee? So I just say, okay, fine. Whatever I don't know, I will say that is X. Or let's say Y. Y. So 2 times the price of 1 cup of coffee, that is my total price of that I have to pay. If I have to buy 4 cups, what will I do? Okay, I know 1 cup of the coffee is Y. I have assumed that. So 4 cups of coffee will be 4 times Y. 6 cups of coffee will be 6 times Y. 10 cups of coffee will be 10 times Y. Yeah?
Yes.
Now let's do the math. I'm saying, I'm not telling you guys how old I am, okay? Let's say I know that Sammy is 9 years old, okay? I'm just making it up. 10? Okay. I'll not say anybody's name, okay? Let's say my daughter is 11-year-old, okay? So my age is 4 times my daughter's age, and also add 4 more to it. That is my age. Okay? That is my age. Okay?
48.
So, what is 4 times of my daughter's age, and you add 4 more to it, that is my age. So, let's say my daughter's age is 11. So, 4 times 11 plus 4 is my
It's not
age.
your age. It's 48.
Okay.
40.
Hold it there. So, what I'm saying is, I have certain things that are known and certain things that are not known. And things that are not known, those are called variables. We'll use the variables to do the calculation part. Now let's actually do the calculation, okay? Somebody has raised hand. Yes, Ranvi?
It is 48.
Don't say it loud. I'm sounding very old.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, Sanvi.
Like 4 times 11 is 44 plus 4 is 48.
Yeah, see, I'm getting old. Okay, so yeah, I mean, see, that was just the example part of it. Now let's actually do some sums. Yeah, Diti.
That was too easy.
Yeah, so that was not a problem yet. I am just doing the jump start right now, okay? We'll do more problems. Now, I said 2 times the cup of coffee equals 14. If I say find out the value of 1 or price of 1 cup of coffee, what will you do? So 2 times is 14, so it will be 14 divided by 2. That's easy, right? Now, if I say, fine, after doing all different types of calculations, Mandeep, when you're not talking, you have to be on mute so that it doesn't create any background noise. If I say x into 44 into 7 by 12 equals 76, or let's say 44, or not 44, 33. And if I say now find out the value of x, what will you do? I said 2 times x equals 14, and you said okay fine, x equals 14 by 2. 1 cup of coffee costs you $7. I'm not an easy guy. I want to make your life difficult. So I'm saying, instead of solving this, now you solve this. How will you solve this one? It might look very difficult to begin with, okay? Does it look difficult or does it look easy first of all?
Easy.
Easy. One person saying easy. What is that, Shalini?
Kind of hard.
Kind of hard. Okay.
Medium.
Medium.
Easy. Kind of hard. It's so easy.
So easy.
I think it's a kind. I don't know. It's kind. I don't know. Kind of hard.
So,
Kind of hard.
So, okay. Shh. Look at this sign. What do you see?
Multiplication. Multiplication.
Okay. It's a cross. It's a cross.
Multiplication sign. It's the letter
So,
X.
okay. Okay. Don't.
It's a box line.
So,
Multiplication sign.
okay. Now here, when you are dealing with multiplication, look at the relationship. When you are dealing with multiplication, you have a cross. What this says? This says that if you have an equal to sign, it will go this way. Meaning, if I have this, I have only multiplication here, right? There is no other operation here. So if I have this thing, it will cross. Meaning, what do I want to find? X equal to what? Meaning, I want to move everything to other side. If I move this to this side, this to this side, and this to this side, then my job is done. Meaning, I only need x on one side and everything else on the other side, and then do the calculation to find out the value of x. Correct? Meaning, I want to move this guy, move this guy, move this guy, move this guy. So, again a cross. So, whatever is above comes down, cross. Whatever is below goes up. So, 33 is 33. This guy goes up. See the cross. This goes up, becomes 12. Then, here, cross, this comes down. 44 comes down, into 7 comes down. Yeah. So that is why this sign was very important. Everything, see, when you are trying to make something move across the equal to sign, this is how it moves. Whatever is above comes down, whatever is below goes up. Or in mathematical terms, you can say whatever is multiplication becomes division, whatever is division becomes multiplication. Yeah. Now you can see the importance of this cross. The x, multiplication, whatever you call it. So, see, this was looking difficult. Now it looks much easier with the cross. Just one cross makes life so very easy. And now you can play with this. 33 into 12. What you want to do? X equals to 33 into 12 divided by 44 into 7. So when you try solving this, you will just break into smaller pieces. 33, you know that 11 times 3 is 33. Okay. 12 you can write as 4 into 3. No parallel discussion, you can transmit. 44 you can again write as 4 into 11. 7 you cannot break it. Leave it like 7. Now you can do tic-tac-toe. Okay. Guys, stop playing with emojis, please. This 11 and this 11, tic-tac-toe. This 4 and this 4, tic-tac-toe. What is there now? 3 into 3, 9, divide by 7. You cannot divide this further. Okay, done. Something that was looking so very difficult became so very easy all of a sudden. Isn't it? Only with this cross. Only with this cross.
Yes, sir.
Now I want you guys to see the power of cross and solve a few problems for me. And those problems are this. So,
You have a gigantic towel.
yeah, that one helps me keep the board clean, otherwise it was looking very dirty before. Now, if I have 5x by 16 into 18 equals 54 by 5. Find out the value of x. This is one problem. I want you guys to solve it. So again, I'm reading the question for you guys. 5x into 18 by 16 equals to 54 by 5. I want you guys to find out the value of x is what? And remember, this is the clue. This cross is the clue. Is everybody trying to solve it?
Yes.
Okay. Aradhya, are you able to solve it, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Remember this. Okay, I know you joined a little late, so this is the clue. Okay, the cross.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Mandeep.
My answer is 28.
Okay, we'll see. 28 is one of the answer I've got. Yeah, Tasvi, did you get your answer as well? No, do it. You're busy talking to your friend, buddy. You do it once you're home, okay, not in the classroom.
I
Yes,
said
sir.
28.
You said 20.
22.
28. See, old people have difficulty in hearing also. Alright, yes, Alni.
I don't understand the part where you put 5x. Like, is it 50 or something like that? Or just
5x. 5x is 5x. 5 times x.
I got my answer is 22.
22. Okay. I got another answer 22. Let's see. Okay. And Vaishu, are you able to try it better?
Yeah, I'm trying it.
Okay.
Oh.
And again, the clue is this, okay? Remember this. I will teach you guys all stupid stuffs to make it more funny and much more playful, okay? Let's see what Akshara has to say. Yeah, Akshara.
I got, I think 26.
26.
I mean 25.
25. Okay, see. This class is so diverse. Everybody is getting different answers. Nihit, will you ever get the answer?
No, it's a 24.
24. Okay.
Sir,
What is the answer, Yug?
26.
26. Okay.
My answer is 28.
28. Yeah, I have written 28. I got 28 as one answer, 22 as another answer, 24 as another answer, and 26 as another answer. Yeah, Yati.
I got 30.
Wonderful. See how diverse the class is. Okay, let's see what Gautam has to say. Yeah, Gautam.
I got 20.
You got?
20.
Awesome. See, diversity is further increasing. Okay. Akshara, you can put your hands down. You have given the answer. Nihan, what was your answer?
My answer was 28.
Okay. At least we have one friend for you. Okay, yeah, Jaganya.
I got 28, so.
Jaganya also has one more friend. Okay, 2 friends. Okay. You have told the answer already. You got 26, right? Nihan, you can put your hands down. Whoever has given the answer. So that is the reason I don't trust anybody. What to do? So again, I'm not saying that I don't trust you guys. I love you guys, okay? No question about it. But when I say trust, it is for maths. When it comes to maths, don't trust your friends. Do it yourself. That's what the message is, okay? Yeah.
I rechecked my work. It's actually 28.
28. So you got one more friend here. Okay. Alright, so what up? Yes, Yanni.
I got 28.
Okay, one more friend here, 24, 28. Alright, so but what I was saying was, see, all those bad jokes, dad jokes I crack. The only message for you guys is, when it comes to math, don't trust anybody. Do it yourself, okay? You can have 10 very good friends. They all might go wrong. And regardless of what they do, it is your work that will get you the score. So don't trust anybody. If your friend says, no, buddy, I'm telling you this is 28. Oh, okay, my answer is also 28. No, this is not an election where everybody casts a vote. You have to do it. Okay. Now, as I said, I don't trust anybody. I deleted all the answers. I don't know what the answer is. I will do it myself. Simple thing is this. My process will be this. Cross. Yes, Shalini, you have told the answer already. You put your hands down.
I didn't.
Okay, Shalini. Yeah. Okay. How much was your answer?
28.
28. Then same thing. You have friends. Yeah, Shalini. What was your answer, beta?
Mine was 28.
28. Okay. So again, now I will do the same thing. The cross. Meaning whatever is above will come down below. Whatever is below will go above. Because I have only multiplication sign. This only works in case of multiplication. X is for multiplication. And that is what works here. Here. So I will just leave X on this side and move everything to other side of equal to. It's like crossing the US border going to Mexico. Okay. So 54 divided by 5. This was my earlier value. This goes up. This comes down. This comes no, not this one. This comes down. So 54, let's put it this way. Whatever is below here goes above. 16 goes above. This 5 comes down. And this 18 also comes down. Now, 54, I can write this as 6 times of 54, that we all know. 16 I can write as 4 into 4. 5 I will not break. 18 I can write as 9 times 2. This 9 and this 9 I can do tic-tac-toe. And then what I have? 6 into 4 into 4. Can I break it further? I think I can. I have a 2 here. So 5 into 5 into 2. So this 4 I will write as 2 into 2. So that I can do tic-tac-toe. I love playing, so I'll play one more time. Now what do I have here? 6 times 4 times 2. That is 6 times 4 is 24 into 2, 48. Divide by 5 times 5, 25. Who all got 24, 28, 26, 20? You guys missed something.
What is that?
What is that? This is the answer, 48 by 25. It is nowhere closer to 26, 24 or whatever number I got from you guys.
Sir, I still
I
don't get
rechecked
it.
my workout and it's actually the same thing.
Huh?
Thank
What?
Okay.
So close the whole time.
Yeah, Mandeep.
you.
So,
I still don't get it.
still did not get it? So, okay. Now, forget about this. Let me write this question one more time. 5x divided by 16 into 18 equals 54 by 5. And I had asked you guys to find out the value of x. Okay. What that means is find out x equals what. This is what the question was. Yep. Everybody with me?
Yes.
Yes.
And what all sign you see here? Only into, right? Only cross, only multiplication, correct? So in this case, when you have only multiplication division, remember this cross. Okay? Now, what is that we are trying to get to? We are trying to find out something like this, x equals something. Meaning, everything that we have on this side, except x, I want to get rid of them. I want to move them. Tasvik and Nihit, you guys are very good friends, but be friends outside this classroom, not in the classroom. I'll not say it one more time. Okay? Nihit, I have not seen you solving the problem also. All the friendship has to stay home, not in the classroom. Right? If I see you guys talking one more time, that's the last thing to happen in the class today. Alright, so here what we are trying to say is x equals to what? And that we will be able to get to only if we move everything else apart from x to the other side of equal to. Yep? Everybody with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, so I'm saying move everything to other side of equal to. That's my goal. So earlier what we had, On the other side of equal to 54 by 5. Let's write 54 by 5. Now everything else, 16. 16 has to go to other side of equal to. How will it go? This way. If it's at the bottom, it will go to the up. It could go to the top. So 16 goes above, becomes here. So this one is taken care. Now 18. 18 has to go other side. So how will it go? If it is here, it will go down. So 18 comes here. So this one is also done. What is remaining? This 5. Where does this go? Again this way. If it's above, it will come below. It comes below. Did I move all the numbers? Yeah? Everybody with me?
Too much numbers.
Yes.
Too much numbers. There's another 5.
So this 5 also I moved now. This 5 I moved. So that is how this came here. So earlier you had one 5. So you had one 5 before. And this moved. So now you have two 5s. Yeah? So this is x equals to this. Now we want to play. Yeah? We are done studying, so we are playing now. What will you play with? 54. How you play? You break it down to smaller pieces. That is how you can play, right? So 54 becomes 9 times 6. 9 6 are 54. This one is broken to smaller pieces. 16. You can say 4 into 4. Done. Or you can also say 2 into 8. Whichever works for you, okay? Let's say 8 into 2. Now here, 5. 5 is a prime number. You cannot break it. Leave it like this. 18, you can break as 9 into 2. Okay, done. Then this 9. Sorry, this is 5. 5 you cannot break. Leave it like this. So, now you have an opportunity to play. This 2 and this 2, tic-tac-toe, gone. This 9 and this 9, tic-tac-toe, gone. Okay? Now what do you have? 6 times 8 here in the numerator and 5 times 5 in the denominator. 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 5 is 25. Now I want to know who did not get it still. Yes, Ranveer.
When you do the tic-tac-toe, do the numbers have to be designated?
What do you mean by that?
Like, do they have to be in that same spot, or can they be in different spots?
It can be in a different spot also. See, as long as whatever was above, it has to stay above. Whatever was the below, has to be below. Now whether this number is written here or written here doesn't make a difference. Okay? Just make sure that this is not on the other side of equal to sign. Yeah?
I got it now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Anvi.
I don't get it. Like, I don't get the whole thing. Like, I do, but like, I don't get the tic-tac-toe.
So tic-tac-toe is my approach for making things simpler. Okay. Now let's look at it this way. Okay. If you would have stayed here like this was my situation, right? After we moved all the numbers, correct? Now if I say multiply 16 by 54, these are big numbers, right? Similarly, 18 times 5 times 5, these are big numbers. Okay? So, tic-tac-toe is our approach for simplifying it, because math is all about simplifying things. Okay? If you, let's say, if I have something like this versus something like 6 times 9, instead of 54, if I break into 6 times 9, this looks simpler, easier to multiply, to divide, whatever it is, right? So my tic-tac-toe, my tic-tac-toe is my approach for making things simpler. Because math, when you do, you are going to become a good mathematician when you make things simple. You will become a bad mathematician if you make things complicated. Okay? So math is for making life easier for us. So that's what we are trying to do. Now if I have 54, I am saying, okay, 54 is a big number. Will I ever remember the table of 54? No. I don't think I can. Right?
54 times 1 is 54.
That's the only thing you will remember. 54 times 10 equals to 540. That's the only thing you will remember. Nothing more than that. And if you want to do that, you will be wasting a lot of energy memorizing table, which is not needed actually. Up to 20 is enough.
24 times 2 is 108.
Don't waste your time. Yeah? So here our goal is to simplify it. So that's what we are simplifying. I'm saying we did not do anything. We say okay, 54. I can write this as 6 times 9 as a factor. Okay?
How many more minutes?
I don't know. I'm not sure the time.
Ask that.
Okay, we still have 10 more minutes. Alright. Similarly, 16. Though, I mean, so far I have not asked you guys table of 16, right? You will end up learning it, but do we need to learn it now? Probably not. Let's see if we have a way to do that in a simpler way. So 16 also I can break into factors, saying 4 into 4. So this 16 became 4 into 4. This 54 became 6 times 9. Up to this much okay, right, Shanvi?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Now, same way here, 5 I cannot break. 5 I can just write as 5 into 1. That's it. No further breakdown is possible. Similarly, this 5 also I can write as 5. 18 I can break and say 9 into 2. So now in the numerator and denominator I have some smaller numbers to play with or deal with. So this is where my playful way of math comes into play. See, playful way of math comes into play. Playing twice. So we are playing enough. What do? When you have common numbers 9, you can say that okay, I don't need that because I am multiplying and dividing by the same number. Doesn't make a difference. I can knock them off. Similarly, you have 4 here. Okay. Now at least we have smaller numbers to deal with, right? 6 times 4 times 4, 5 times 2 times 5. These are smaller numbers, right? Much easier than before, correct? Make sense, Salni? Sanvi?
Yes, it does.
Now, I'm not done yet. I can further make it smaller. Let's see. 6 I can write as 3 into 2. 4 also I can write as 2 into 2. This 4 also I can write as 2 into 2. So this 4 is this 4 is this, and this 6 is this. And then below I have 5 into 2 into 5. Whatever I have done tic-tac-toe, I will take them off. Now I can take this 2 and one of the 2's, knock off. Now see how easy these numbers are. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 5. 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. 48 divided by 25. You did not have to do 24 times 2. You could have said, okay, 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 6 8s are 48. Same thing. Yeah? So this became a much easier number to deal with. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Gautam?
Yes.
Shranvi?
Yes, it does.
Aradhya?
Yes.
Okay. Aditi? Yakshara?
This is nothing.
Nothing? Alright. So, now, I will give you guys one more thing. We have 5 more minutes. What did I say? If I have multiplication or division, I do this way. This is how my numbers move. And guys, don't play with emojis, okay? Now, if I have, let's say, if I say 5 plus x equal to 20, what is the value of x? Here I don't have a cross. I don't have multiplication or division. I cannot do cross. Yes, Salni. Yes, I mean.
15.
15.
What's 15?
15. So here, so what I want you guys, yep, yes, join.
15.
Okay. Now here, what is there as a takeaway for us? Here in this case, if I had 5 plus x equals to 20 and I have to find out what is the value of x, what I have to do, same thing. I have to move everything to other side of equal to so that I have only x here. Nate? I don't know if there is a better way of saying it, but 10 minutes ago I said I will not entertain any further disturbance like what you were doing before, and you repeated yourself. Now, meaning I have to keep only s on this side and this 5 has to move. How? Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This is what you have to remember. Like this way, something above comes down, that is multiplication becoming division, division becoming multiplication. Something goes from down to up, division becoming multiplication. So this is what you have to remember. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, division becomes multiplication, multiplication, multiplication becomes division. And this is not arrow, this is equal to. So when you make something cross the border, if it is plus, it becomes minus. So that is how x equals 20 minus 5. Here it was plus, it became minus. Okay? If I would have said x minus 5 equal to 20, then x would have been, this minus would have become plus here. So x would have been 20 plus 5. See? This minus became plus. Yeah? So this is how you have to deal with the operation, okay? As long as you are clear, you will be able to play with this. As long as you practice, you will not have any difficulty in dealing with this. But if you don't practice and if you just hear my speech, you will make mistake for sure. So I want you all to practice. I will give you guys more homework this time. Not because I want to get you guys tired, because these are all easy ones, okay? It will be very quick. But I would want you guys to practice enough. And when I say more homework, that simply means that you will be able to finish that in 30 minutes only. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Just that the number of questions will be more. That's all.
Why not 1 minute?
That 1 minute is not even enough for memorizing tables that you have to anyways do every day.
1 plus 1.
Alright? So, yes, Sami, you had a question?
Oh no, my hand is still up.
Okay. Alright. So, I hope you guys learned the basic of operations, how the operations change when you move across equal to sign, how plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and this cross thing that we saw, right? And I would want you guys to practice them quite a lot. I'll probably give you guys 20-25 questions. That you'll be able to solve in half an hour if you do it seriously. Okay? And the breakdowns that you are doing right now, that will not be enough. You will have to do sums, okay? Alright. So see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Next Saturday. But wait for the assignments. I would want you guys to practice those and let me know if you are facing any difficulty. Alright? Enjoy the rest of the evening. See you guys on next Saturday. Alright, bye bye, bye bye, take care. Alright. Bye bye. Sayan, you can move this.
Here's the $80
So, thank you. Next time onwards, just tell Daddy that